2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 67,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power outlet, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.